It's 1:15 a.m. Getting the car loaded up. We are heading to catch a sunrise at McAfee Knob this morning. We've been given a rare gift of clear weather. It's supposed to be warm today, and it's November 20th. And the blessings have already started because I'm out here and I can hear a barred owl. 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. actually. We're at the trailhead starting out. It's gonna be a great day. Getting close to the top. Almost to the top. And then you come out here and it's the amazing wow factor. Look at this. We've been pressing it to get up here, but it's so worth every step. You see that first light? Let me flip this around. That's the famous rock that everybody likes to get their picture taken on. Catawba, McAfee Knob. This is why people get up at midnight to drive 2.5 hours, to hike 2 hours to the top. We're here! Sunrise at McAfee Knob. Worth the trip every time. God's eternal shows. There's quite a few people up here. Maybe just a handful, maybe 10. It's always an amazing, epic adventure coming up here. It's an 8-mile round trip. Moderate hike, really. It's not that difficult. It's just that it's long, and you're going moderate hike uphill all the way to the overlook there. All kinds of critters out here today. We're hearing squirrels, deer. We thought for sure that we were near a bear this morning because we saw some bear scat. And we heard something huge coming out of a tree near us, a branch breaking, and there was no wind to speak of, so that was a little unsettling, but thankfully that has passed, and now it's daylight, and it's such a beautiful day to be on this trail. Here we are back to the fire road, and this is where you can either take the trail, which is 2.6 miles, or you can take the fire road. We're taking the fire road today. Back to the parking area. 8.6 miles. Nice parking area. More people here now than when we got here. There were maybe 4 cars in the lot.